Je suis inquiet à cause de l'examen. I'm worried because of the exam. Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. In this video, we are going to learn how to express feelings in French. Before we start, I'd like to mention that all the feelings we are going to go through are in their masculine singular form. To turn them into feminine or plural, simply follow the rules seen previously. So let's start. First, let's see the feelings linked to joy. Être content, to be happy. Être heureux, to be happy. Être confiant, to be confident. Être chanceux, to be lucky. Être enchanté, to be delighted. And être passionné, to be passionate. Of course, more feelings can be found to express joy. As seen previously, prepositions or connective words can be used after feelings to make sentences. So let's see some examples. Tu es enchanté pour Marie. You are delighted for Mary. Je suis confiant pour l'examen. I am confident for the exam. Je suis content parce que j'ai un chien. I'm happy because I have a dog. Je suis content de Paul. I'm happy about Paul or of Paul. Je suis enchanté du résultat. I am delighted about the result. Je suis heureux d'aller en France. I'm happy to go to France. Or, je suis passionné par les voitures. I am passionate by cars. Now, let's see the feelings linked to fear. Avoir peur, to be afraid. Être inquiet, to be worried. Être angoissé, to be anxious. Être timide, to be shy. And more feelings can be found to express fear. Note that avoir peur is an expression using the verb avoir, to have, and the noun peur, fear. Avoir peur translates as to have a fear. It is not an adjective strictly speaking, and as a result it can't be turned into feminine or plural. As seen previously, prepositions or connective words can be used after feelings to make sentences. So let's see some examples. J'ai peur du chien. I'm afraid of the dog. J'ai peur des araignées. I'm afraid of the spiders. Je suis inquiet pour Paul. I am worried for Paul. Je suis inquiet à cause de l'examen. I'm worried because of the exam. Je suis angoissé pour le résultat. I'm anxious for the result. Je suis timide. I am shy. Now let's have a look at the feelings linked to anger. Être énervé, to be upset. Être en colère, to be angry. Être fâché, to be cross. Être furieux, to be furious. Être jaloux, to be jealous. Note that être en colère can be turned into plural. Of course, more feelings can be found to express anger. And as seen previously, prepositions or connective words can be used after feelings to make sentences. So let's see some examples. Je suis fâché contre Marc. I am cross with Mark. Je suis en colère à cause de mon ami. I'm angry because of my friend. Je suis énervé à cause de la circulation. I'm upset because of the traffic. Je suis furieux contre toi. I am furious against you. Je suis jalouse de Marie. I am jealous of Mary. And finally, let's see the feelings linked to sadness. Être triste, to be sad. Être malheureux, to be unhappy. Être désolé, to be sorry. Être déçu, to be disappointed. Être déprimé, to be depressed. Être fatigué, to be tired. And here again, more feelings can be found to express sadness. and has seen previously, prepositions or connective words can be used after feelings to make sentences. Let's see some examples. Je suis triste pour Simon. I am sad for Simon. Je suis malheureux parce que tu pars. I'm unhappy because you are leaving. Je suis désolé d'être en retard. I am sorry to be late. Je suis déçu de ton comportement. I am disappointed by your behavior. Je suis déprimé par le temps. I am depressed by the weather. Je suis fatigué à cause de mon voyage. I am tired because of my travel. That's it for the feelings. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. À bientôt.